Welcome to Leica's Skywatch.
We're going to tell you about some of the cool things to look for this month in the night sky.
Let's Explore Astronomy is sponsored in part by
Distinctly Yukon. The Westmark Whitehorse Hotel and Conference Center is the Yukon's premier lodging facility. Make your reservations today at westmarkhotels.com. Westmark Hotels, with 9 unique locations throughout Alaska and the Yukon.
During the summer, the bright star Arcturus is visible. Arcturus is the 4th brightest star in the nighttime sky, and the brightest star in spring. It is easy to find. Considering it is so bright, you can probably see it right off when you look up. If you start at the Big Dipper, its handles point directly at a constellation called Boötes. Boötes is commonly called the hunter, out hunting the great bear. He is also known as the herdsman, keeping all the beasts in the sky in order.
Others say he's the son of Zeus and Callisto, or maybe he's the son of Demeter. He is also known as a plowsman, driving his ox through the field.
There are a lot of different stories about Boötes. It is probably the oldest constellation in the sky. This is mainly due to Arcturus being so bright and drawing people's attention. Arcturus is about 36.7 light years from Earth. It is an orange-red giant and about 25 times bigger than our Sun. Just to the west of Arcturus, you'll find the constellation Coma Berenices.
The story is that Berenice gave a lock of her hair to Aphrodite in thanks for her husband's victory at war. Aphrodite accepted the hair and put it in the night sky.
The stars in Coma Berenices are not bright. If you find the stars just to the west of Arcturus, you'll be looking at stars about the same size as our Sun. The southern one, Alpha Comae, is 62 light-years away. The northern one, Beta Comae, is 27. But what makes Coma Berenices so fantastic is that here there are 8 Messier objects. M53, a globular cluster 65,000 light-years away. M64, the Black Eye Galaxy. You'll need a powerful scope to see it. M85, a spiral galaxy. M88, another bright spiral galaxy. M91, a faint spiral galaxy. M98, another faint spiral galaxy that we see edge on. M99, yet another spiral galaxy. And M100, the largest of this group of spiral galaxies in Coma Berenices. There is also NGC 4565, also a spiral galaxy. As you move toward Virgo, there are even more deep space objects to find. This is one incredible area of space to explore with your telescope. Planet watching this month is limited. Mercury, Venus, Mars, and Jupiter are not visible in the night sky this month. But it is not a complete loss by any means on the planet watching front, as Saturn is sure to be as spectacular as usual. Saturn will be found in the constellation Virgo, between Virgo and Libra. You can see it every evening after dark in June. Uranus is visible with a telescope in the constellation Pisces in the early morning sky, and Neptune will be in Aquarius in the early morning sky.
June also means the summer solstice, the first day of summer. Woohoo! June 21st is the longest day of the year in the northern hemisphere. Sorry, folks in the southern hemisphere, you'll have the shortest day of the year for you. I am here at the Arctic Circle in the Yukon, one of the few places on Earth that you can actually drive to the Arctic Circle. If you come here on the summer solstice, you could stay up all night and the sun will never set. 24 hours of daylight. Here they call it the midnight sun, because at midnight the sun is still shining. It is because the Earth is tilted about 24 degrees, and this time of year the North Pole is tilted towards the sun. On a future episode of Let's Explore Astronomy, we will tell you about the Earth and its tilt.
Here.
The farther north you go from here, the longer you'll get constant daylight. Days and weeks, even months where the sun never sets. Come on up to the Yukon and check it out yourself. It is really cool, and the land is pretty with mountains, rivers, and wildlife.
So this month, check out the Messier objects in Coma Berenices.
And don't forget beautiful Saturn.
New moon is June 8th, and full moon is June 23rd.
Join us next time for more things to see in the night sky. Don't forget to check out our other shows in the series. Let's explore astronomy. Happy stargazing!